Alright, so you're on the other side of the field right there. If you'll look, you see we just crossed all that. You can see that. That was like 2 million miles. And so what I do is when I get to the middle of the field, I throw my machete and it goes wherever I need to go. Because the tactical machete was so good about it. Landed right here and it's pointing that way, so we need to go that way. Now the hanging condor don't usually come down in these woods, type of wood. So I think the machete's pointing me towards a shark. I've been after the hanging condor most of my life, but I mean, if I need to go after the shark, I'll go after the shark. I'm gonna cross this fence right here. Back to you a second. Alright, we're gonna continue on our journey. Just cross that fence right there. Listen really carefully. You can hear the sharks howling. We'll find an easy way down there, and we'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, we found the easiest way down out here. There's many sharks in there. Wish me luck. Let's see if we got it. Crack. Thought I had it. Them sharks, smartest creatures ever live. It evaded me again. We're gonna continue down this creek. See if we can find a way up and out. Holy chicken cracker. See another shark. Stay back. It's bloody. It's really bloody. God, y'all won't come down here. Cut its head off. Alright. We'll shove it up under the bank and use it as a trap. And we're gonna come back. We're gonna see if we got something. shoved up under there. Getting out of a creek system like this is very treacherous and dangerous. You don't want to use the easiest path, like right here, because it could cause massive erodicons and you can get killed by transformers. So we gotta keep going for it. Dang it, my tactical pants turned off. You want to turn your tactical pants back on? Have them like that. Alright. Now we'll continue on that way. I think I can see a ladder. Pull myself up and out. Mother cracker. Shit. Keep on going. Wow. This looks like the most difficult way out. We'll have to climb up and out right here. We'll get back to you once I've climbed up and out. So, yeah. All right. Just climbed out of a 4,000 foot creek. You gotta keep moving. Get out of here before bigger sharks come. We're gonna have to find a way back up out of here. It's not gonna be simple. See, you have to use expert tracking skills like me. Find sharks, find condors, wear tactical pants. Stay up out of here. Not simple. It's actually hard. We'll get back to y'all in a minute once we get out of here. It's going to be difficult.